Hello people, here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today I want to make this video because I wanted to let you know that there was a show filmed here in De Pere, Wisconsin. That show is going to be on Thursday at 7 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and put all of the links right here below from PBS. And I think it's a great opportunity to know our local community. So thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Here is a video.
Introduce the videos. Anything else that I've missed? Thursday night. Oh yeah, who am I? Well, I'm not on the cover of my guide. I'm John Muskowski, the director of PBS Wisconsin.
Oh.
And I know you're cheering for a long history of a lot of other wonderful people when I hear that, and I share that with them. So I have that story. So we're gonna roll video. We're gonna go right into the show. I have 3 things to show you. We'll show you a promo for John McGivern's show, and you will remember your homework is to share this with everybody. How many hours do we have? Everybody you see, you got to tune in on Thursday, 7 o'clock. To the show. Tell everybody, email everybody, it'll be online as well.
Awesome.
Okay, so that, we're gonna show you a preview, sort of promo for Wisconsin Foodie. What a great combination. So cheers. John McGivern, Wisconsin Foodie, what a combination, what a Thursday night we have every week for a while here. And then finally, we're gonna show you a promo of a new program coming from Michael Pere. So folks are familiar with his writing. Michael Pere has done some performances across the state, and we sort of captured that and went behind the scenes with him. He's such a wonderful writer, storyteller. So we'll give you a glimpse of that. And then after that, we want to remember someone who's really important to this community, and that's Dudley Berger. I first met Dudley, if I'm pointing in the right direction, down here there's a breakfast place. If it's down there, I don't know, maybe it's this way. I don't know where I am right now. Right in the neighborhood. And that was an amazing experience, and that was someone we wanted to work with. So we were able to do the holiday concert a couple years later. That was really wonderful. But our folks at Wisconsin Life came and interviewed Dudley, and he shared his story. And you know, it's just so wonderful when you just sit down with someone and you see this person who's made this amazing contribution, this amazing life and spirit, has invented things that, you know, just, it's almost impossible to imagine someone to think they could do that, and then to share it is really wonderful. So we're gonna show that all and lead into the new show from De Pere. So I think you'll enjoy that, and I'm gonna enjoy seeing Dudley again. So a few years ago, I got a phone call.
Is Joe here tonight? Where is he?
Over here.
I don't really care, Joe. So please stand up. Everybody who helped us out. Where are you going? If you know any of these people who were in the episode, they will tell you that we come and we disturb their lives for just a bit. We spend 4 days in this community shooting this show, and for those who were involved, this is what happens. We show up, there's usually that person, and then we have the camera guy show up, and we talk for another 10, 15 minutes, and then we ask that person to show us around as we have the camera following us. So we spend like an hour and 15 minutes with these people, and then they come to this community preview, and they watch the show, and they say, I got a minute and a half? What the hell? We couldn't do the show without you agreeing.
A year and a half ago or so that the Main Street show was going to be starting. It was a huge aha moment. I had to call my partner because we have a prototype called Main Street by Cobblestone, which one just opened up here in De Pere a couple of months ago. So we're very excited to be here. hotel franchise company based here in Wisconsin. We're very proud to have started here in 2008, and we currently have 167 hotels open or under construction in 29 states now. So Wisconsin's our home base. We've got about 32 properties here, but great stuff going on throughout the country.
Thank you so much. Don't you yeah, we really do get along. My partner Steve is like, so I spend more time with Lois from May through October than I do with my family, who is my partner Steve. And then come October, Steve's like, thanks, Lois. He's back. Can we just for a moment talk about how this show happened? So Around the Corner was 9 seasons. We did 117 episodes. All of those episodes were centered around the state of Wisconsin. In the middle of COVID, I do state shows as well. And when COVID happened, my last show was March 4th, 2020. I was doing a show for Acuity because I do a lot of corporate work as well. So I was standing in front of 2,000 people at Acuity in Sheboygan. I got in my car, and from that moment, March 4th, 2020, for 14 months, I did nothing else. No stage shows, no corporate work, and in the middle of all of that 14 months, we got word that Around the Corner with John McGivern was not going to be renewed. So then I lost the TV job as well. So I sat at home, and I think about what happens in what we do. Go talk to a crew. Don't talk to the crew that works on my show, because they'll be like, John McGivern, oh, for Christ's sake. But we talked to the crew that worked with Emmy Fink, and they were like, she's the best. And we were like, oh God, if we could get her. So the fact that she not only showed up for the interview, and then she showed up for the negotiation with Rich, who is the owner of Plum, but she showed up for the first day of shooting, and we were like, oh my God, she's involved. And when she showed up pregnant, we were like, what the hell is going on?
And I rubbed my belly on his, and we were good to go ever since.
We were good to go, yeah. What happened when you were offered? You said, there's something we need to talk
They said,
about.
are you busy this summer? So take us back to what, February 2020?